Guess who? If you see the video of me and Mickey interacting together, I want to say sorry about the no noise, except replacing with music. I gotta tell you the bad news. After my interaction with Mickey and me, and I took the video, I thought there's something wrong with my microphone, so I tried everything to reset it, like 30 seconds, all these methods, nothing working. So I'm sorry to hate you that, sorry, I didn't mean, what I meant to say is I really hate to inform you the bad news is my microphone's broke, so I have to order a new one, so I'm sorry. So I'm afraid I have to do it the old-fashioned way, just like back in Universal Studios. So while I'm waiting for my new microphone to arrive. I'm sorry, everyone. But at least I can still hugging and posing with Mickey and the others. And forget what I say about, I didn't mean to hate you. What I meant to say is, I just hate to see you sad and disappointed when I inform you the bad news. That's all. So I'm sorry. Come on, everyone. Who knows how Mickey and the others are doing? Come on. The sun is ready to fall. Winter is our favorite season. We cross on the window and our children. Christmas is the time to leave the wall. you doing?
Come on over, friend.
There's other families.
Oh, here I am. Hello. How do you do? My name's Wynonna Woodpecker. And how are you doing today? Pretty okay. That's good to know. I'm Uncle Woody. I'm Woody Woodpecker's niece, the eldest niece of my cousins Knothead and Splinter. Guess I could do the laugh.
Perfect. How about a picture, friend?
Okay. Frenzy? How about French poses?
Perfect. Thank you very much.
See you real soon, Minnie. I'll give my regards to my Uncle Woody Woodpecker and my family too, including my father, Wilfred Woodpecker, and my cousins, Knothead and Splinter. Don't worry, I'll be on the lookout for Buzz Buzzard. He's out to get me because I'm a harpy, so I'm half human and a half bird. You see what I mean? Anyway, I'll be safe now. Goodbye, Minnie.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, it's Belle. I can't believe that's the real Belle from Beauty and the Beast. I wonder, what do I say to her? Sorry.
You want a picture?
Excuse me, can we do a picture?
Kira, look at mommy, please. Mommy, Kira.
Kira.
There you go. Good job. Thank you.
Oh. Oh. Hello. Are you Belle?
Lovely to meet you. Hi, friend. Good to see you.
You too?
I like your hat today.
Oh,
It
thank
looks
you.
Beautiful.
My name's Wynonna. Oh, well then. Bells can be very busy. And by the way, I really love her hair. Wish I could do that, but my hair is way too long for that. But I should just be myself with my own hairstyle that makes me special. Anyway, I'll go see how they're doing. Or perhaps the three Caballeros. I wonder how they're doing. Come on. Oh, it's Anna. Princess Anna from Frozen. Oh dear, if I catch up to her, what will I tell her? Oh, excuse me, sorry. Now that he mentioned it, I'll go follow her. Perhaps I can say hi to her, that's all. Oh, hi Anna. That was it. That's all the hi I can say. But it's good seeing her anyway. Now, I wonder where Mickey, Donald, others, and even the three Caballeros are doing. Hi, great to meet you. My Uncle Woody Woodpecker told me about you from Hoopering Water Rapid, Town. That's where my uncle used to visit there as a tourist. And Uncle Woody sent me here to meet you. I'm Wynonna Woodpecker. I'm the niece of Woody. You can say I'm a child, the older child. Well, my cousin, Knothead and Splinter. Great to meet you, pal. Thanks. Hey, let me do. Guess what Uncle Woody taught me. I always loved my uncle, that I've been looking up to him. A greatest celebrity of all time. I'll tell him, I'll give your regards to my Uncle Woody, so he'll be happy about you. Let me tell him about it. See you later. Wait, if that's a chickman with the black nose, I'll guess it. Can I guess who it is? Chip! That's him.
Nice. There you say hi to Chip. Say hi. Mommy, look here. Say cheese. Yeah, nice. Thank you. Give Chip a hug.
Give Chip a hug. High five.
High five. All right. Thank you.
Hiya, Chip. Great to meet you. You're cute, Chip. Oh, that's my sombrero. Thank you. I'm heading off to see the three Caballeros, my boyfriend's Panchito. We're both red-headed. Have a Merry Christmas, Chip. Goodbye. Oh, speaking of three Caballeros, now's my chance. I heard the parade starts any minute. I wonder what they're up to. I'm out of town.
Ready? Here.
I didn't know I could take my tail back.
There you go. Alright, there we go. Dance party with Goofy, that's it. That's a hard swirl.
Wow, everything looks nice here. Oh, if you're wondering how do you end up hearing my voice again, guess what? While I was checking in my backpack for snack time, all this time I thought I lost another microphone after my first one got broken, and now I'm happy that I found another new microphone in case what you call that, backup. Just in case the first one broken, while the second, another microphone you can keep as a backup whenever bad things happen. Now you know what will happen if you have another microphone in case the first one gets broken. You know what my father once told me, there's always such things as wear and tear, which is why I buy another microphone. I don't know why earlier I've been wasting my time strolling around thinking that I lost hope losing a microphone. And when I dig around all of my backpack, that was before I found my new microphone, which I forgot that I bought it from Amazon. And now I'm happy I finally found my microphone as a second backup. Second microphone as my backup plan, so I don't get stolen around or disheartened. Disheartened means brokenhearted. Now, I can wait to see the Caballeros at the parade. Come on, let's go. Wow, what do we got here? Let's see. Ooh, impossible. Bandinga soup, Mexican meatball soup, burrito, fries, and wow, that's a lot of Mexican culture food. Wow, beverages, mango, leches, kids meal, quesadilla, beverages, and that left menu looks the same as the right menu. Perhaps I can taste one of the Mexican food I can eat. Chicken burrito, tasty, but I don't know, my stomach would agree, but meatball soup, ooh, I can wait to eat that Mexican meatball soup, especially I can't wait until tomorrow. I'm going to Mexico with my family. Oh, about Mexico tomorrow, my family and I are not going to use our wings to fly. We're using the cruise to get there. A vacation casino cruise where we sleep there, have fun, eat buffet and stuff. Of course, I bet Mexico is going to be nice. If once my family and I were in Mexico, I'll do anything to learn Mexican culture and all the stuff from Panchito, my handsome Prince Charming of Mexico. Anything for Panchito. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to order one of the Mexican food. I'm thinking Mexican meatball soup. I can wait to eat it. Boy, oh boy, looks like I finally got myself the Mexican meatball soup. According to the Google search, this meatball soup is Mexican culture from Mexico. I'm so lucky I can learn to try Mexican culture food from Panchito. Anything for Panchito. That's a little hot. Oh, good thing I take my gloves off and of course you might see my hands are really human because I both pluck and save off the feathers out of my hands so my naked bare hands can be easy to touch. So I can touch and feel things like tortillas is rough. It tastes good, but this is a little bland. Let's see if I try this. Better. This tastes better with sauce instead of plain chips that might taste bland without cheesy sauce and anything sauce. Better. Like I say it again. I wonder what kind of tasty sauce is this that make the chips taste good. I wonder what's that. Taste delicioso. Wow, I can't believe I say delicioso out of my Spanish confidence. I am learning from my dearest handsome Prince Charming of Mexico, Panchito. Panchito, this is for you. Yep, super delicioso. Wow, that's a huge meatball I ever seen. Oops, I better clean my inner lips. You see what I mean? See what I mean? This is hard to bite. Too big for my mouth. Perhaps I'll cut it little bits so I can slice it into bits. I don't know why I'm some of the little lady like my mother, even before she passed away. And just make sure my microphone's still on. Now this is my delicioso. Batter up. I don't know why I say batter up, but I meant to re-say it. Here comes another tortilla in meatball soup sauce. Delicioso. Wait, who's there? Oh, it's only Mickey Mouse and Minnie. Mickey and Minnie? I just can't believe it's Mickey and Minnie here. Anyway, I'll finish my meatball soup and the tortillas. While I can't wait for the 3 Caballeros to come. See you later, amigos and amigas. Yeah, that's it. Amigos for men, amigas for women. Yes. Got it. All right. Adios. I'm starting to love this Mexican meatball soup. I can see why Panchito loved it. Delicioso. Hi, Donna. Hi, Jose. And here is my handsome Prince Charming of Mexico, Panchito. Guess what? I got gifts for you. José Carioca, one for you. Panchito, one for you, my dear. And finally you, Donald Duck. I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Panchito, guess what? My family and I are going to Mexico tomorrow. I'll do anything to learn about your culture. I'll learn more and explore more, Panchito.
How about we do the? How about we do this?
Oh,
instead?
that's right.
Yes. Jose,
Okay, your turn, Jose. Oh. Your turn, Donald. Oh. All right, it's time for the hugs. Donald? Jose?
you need to check on your violin.
Oh, violin. I could do the violin pose. Okay, Panchito, of course, my love. I love you, Panchito. Oh, the hands, you know. I love you, Panchito. You're my handsome Prince Charming of Mexico. Goodbye, boys. I'll see you after I get back from Mexico. Hi, Sophie. Great to see you. Do you know I can do the grill? Looks like I'm going to learn the grill from Panchito. Yay! Oh, I could do your expressions. I could. I thought I'm trying to be funny. And it's Donald Duck like this. And the nephew voice. Hey, Uncle Donald, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. It's the Huey, Dewey, and Louie's voice. And Mickey's voice. Hi, Goofy. So great to meet you. Wow, you look fabulous today. And not to mention, magnifico. I can do Mickey and Minnie voices. Okay, time for the pulse. Ready, Nico?
You look so good.
Thank you, Goofy. Adios. Hey guys, I saw you in the parade. You did a great job. Oh, speaking of parade, I was about to show you my griddle. Panchito, this is what I learned from you. Yeah! And Donald, have I ever told you I do the voice of your nephews like this? Hey, Uncle Donald, you got a nice sombrero. I'm Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Merry Christmas! And not to mention I do Mickey Mouse. Hola, everybody. Welcome to Disneyland. Hot dog. And Minnie Mouse voice. Caballeros, I just want to know you all did a great job. Now I think, did I surprise you, Tree? And Christ, the goofy. And Donald, I can scream like you. Okay. Oh, ready.
Got it.
Mexican pose.
Got it.
Hey, thank you. Oh wait, it's time for the hugs. Donald? Jose? Goodbye. Adios. Whew, boy, I'm beat. I can't wait to get back home. You know, it's been fun spending watching the Three Caballeros parade. And of course, my favorite Three Caballeros. It's a good thing I have a good time with Donald, Jose, and especially my Panchito. I don't know why I always think of him like he's my Prince Charming of Mexico. And of course, I know he loves me. Right now, I'm starting to feel like exhausted. I think I'm not feeling good right now. You know, I think it's my stomach. Right now, I'm gonna get home so I can rest. It's been a long, cold winter day. Oh, and I couldn't have fun without you guys. And right now, it's time for me to fly. Oh, I can't wait to get invited to the Three Caballeros, the Feliz Navidad party in their party house. You know, same house from the series called The Legends of Three Caballeros. It's my favorite series. I love watching them. Now you can see how did I become the biggest fan of them, especially my Panchito. And right now, I really have to go. It was fun being with you. Adios, amigos and amigas. Feliz Navidad. And remember, everyone, the happiness never ends. Have a good time. Bye.